in Southwest Airlines. Welcome to San Francisco. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened, your seat back in tray table in the full upright and locked position, and all your carry-on items stowed right where they are. Once we get to the gate and the fasten seatbelt signs turned off, please be careful when opening the overhead bin. Items tend to shift during flight and fall out and poke you in the eye. You may use your cell phone now, but only if it is within arm's reach. Once again, please keep your carry-on stowed. I don't think there's any more connections tonight because it's really way too late. But, you know, if by chance there's TV monitors, you know, out there at the terminal. This is the termination of this flight number. So please check around. Make sure you have all your belongings with you. If you leave anything behind, 10s and 20s work really well for me. We certainly have enjoyed sharing part of our evening and early morning with you. We know you have many choices when you fly. We do appreciate you choosing Southwest. Please go out, buckle up, be safe. Have a great rest of the week. Come back and see us again real soon. Welcome to San Francisco.